In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Xbox Game Pass not syncing data on PC. So the first thing you need to do is open up your task manager. So we're going to press Control Shift and then Escape to open it up. I'm going to make it big. Come over to the left and press on these three horizontal lines that says Details. And at the top, you need to type in Gaming, and you'll see two names that say Gaming Services and Gaming Services Net. So you want to select this top one and then right click it and end the task. That's going to ask you to confirm. You're simply going to press end process. Give it a second and let it come back on again. And now if you come over to your Xbox Game Pass and open it, it will load. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.